Happy days, welcome to my channel. Today is the 1st of May and I'm out with my dogs, as you can tell. Spring is struggling to get a hold of us, but it's doing a good job. So the snow is getting softer and I had to go out quite early today in order for the snow to be fairly solid, and it's already a bit softened, but dogs are not falling through, and that's the most important part. It's early morning before breakfast, and yeah, I thought I would take you along for a training hike in this amazing landscape. I find it really, I'm here quite a few days during the week, and I still find it really, really fascinating. I think you'll do it too. So tag along, and I'll give you some nice shots from the 1st of May. So in one of, see if we can do this, one of my videos we were on this side here of the Fugeltin, and as you can tell, there's a lot more for me to do here in this region. Look at that, it's just amazing. Wow. Our daily hikes in this region, on this trail here, is quite inspiring, as you can tell. And I even like this forest. The trees are old, and there's quite a bit of wildlife in here. I don't see much of that, but I see the trails, and that's really fascinating. And now the birds are coming back from the winter quarters, and they are singing now. Not just at the moment though, but that's really what they're up to now. getting children and starting a new life. Now we're on the lake. Ooh, yeah, and they have some business to do. Sorry about that. We are now on the lake, and the sun is over there. And the point now, and they are not standing still there. So sorry. Ooh, that's good. My point was that now it's early morning, and the snowfall that we had yesterday is still making our trails soft and nice. Glide. And that's the command that I use for them. It's just clear and then there. It's so fun when that happens every time. And they are starting off, and now we basically going off trail, but they know where we are heading, and they've been here before, so that it works really nice for them. And yeah, so I have an empty sled today, so, and here's the trail from a fox probably, yeah. And here's you can see there's been a trail underneath here before, and so that's what they're following, and now we're getting it onto a fresher, more recent trail. Alright guys, let's go. You see, that doesn't really work. That doesn't really work, and that's fascinating. But if I do like this, glide, it does work. So, well, they don't understand Norwegian or English, but they understand what we teach them, and that's fascinating and great. And we're back on a different lake. The same here. No over water as far as I can tell, and it's just really nice now. And again, the dogs are going without a trail. And but he's looking for a trail, and he looks for the places we've been before, and that's fascinating as well. But sometimes I need him to go other places, and I'll have to give him directions, which he would normally and most of the time accept. And for that, I love that dog, and all the others. They actually, all of them can do that. So now I'm calling to go right. Hey up. Yes, so that's a right command, and he accepts that. And, that's nice. But we just follow this trail for some time. No, he knows where he's going, so I thought we would follow that trail, but this is okay. We've been here before. He knows this section, this trail where we are. So actually he's walking where we've been before. Although we can't see that anymore, it's still a trail here for him. And so yeah, that's great. Yeah, we're supposed to go that. Hurry up. Yep, we're supposed to go over there. That's good. Vänster. Höger. Now he's really wants to turn the whole. No, he wants to turn the whole thing for some reason. So, yeah, no, vänster. Yep. So this vänster, as you can tell, eventually he accepts the notion of where we are going, and yeah. Höger. Yep, bra. Now, bra. Höger. Ja, bra. Ja, flink. I have to give him some praise. He's doing the right thing, and we're soon going to have a break. And I was going to go to one of these places where the snow has melted all together. Höjre! Japp, bra! Ja, bra! Alltså, flink ut! Bra! And now we're crossing a stream of some sort, I think. As you can tell, it is breaking up here now. And yeah. Höjre! Ooh. So this is the stop, and I'll just sort out the dogs and all the rest of it, and I'll come back to you. We are on what we call a bear rab, bar rab. I don't know what it's called in English. It's just, but it's basically just the ground coming up out of the snow. So there's no snow on it, but it's nice in this time of year after so much snow. It's nice to get your hands on your butt onto some dry land, if you like, and it's nice because it's easy to lit a fire here. As you can tell, there's already a fireplace there. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's nothing that we're going to use today. End of this month, and most of the snow will be gone, and I'll see if I can take you along with me on this route every so often so that you can see how the snow is going away. Now it's just for us to head down home again. I'll take a few shots on the way. Whoa! That was interesting. He knows where we're going, so he's going in the right direction, but he did take a shortcut there, which we haven't taken before, and which meant that I lost my hat. I don't know if you can see it there. I think, yeah, I lost my hat, so I will see if we can take a loop and go around. That might be a struggle, but it's good exercise for him to do that. So I'll see if I can take you along on that trip. And there's a drop here. Oh! Hey up! Hey up! Hey up! Hey up! Hey up! Yep. Now we're on the trail that we started on earlier, and see if we could get a loop back to the hat. Bra! This is awkward for him because he thought he was going back, and he thought he knew what we were doing. So this is all, hey up! This is all different for him now. And we'll further down here we'll cross. Oh. And this is really with my skiing stick. Hey up! Hey up! Hey up! Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! My skiing, that's good. Bra, hit him! My skiing skills is really holding the camera and talking to you guys and then giving directions and slow, even taking hard turns. Alright, but we're heading towards the same forest now. We need to find a trail, and he's on the job. He's on the job. Yes, Vänster, I thought. Now he's going to find it again. Vänster. Yep, that's good. There I can see the hat. Now I need to get forward to my brakes and be able to stop. Yeah, well, it's still running. Yeah. Alright, you can see the hat over there. I'll drive slightly. They're just going to... Whoa! Whoa! And so there's my hat. Oh! See if I can get it on without them starting again. They're just a bit. It's not just the weather that is hot. The dogs are a bit hot as well today. So, well, but as you can see, I got my hat back, and that's just a good exercise for the lead dog. I didn't want to film that drop again, but we're on the lake now, and I don't know if you can notice that, but I can certainly sense that the snow is softer now. It's the skis doesn't slide as easy as it did earlier, so it is time to get down. Yeah, the snow is really softer now. Ooh. Just so nice. Look at that, huh? Just so nice. I wish I could film the drop that I've been doing now. Whoa! Whoa! But it's just too steep, and I need to focus on braking. Yeah. But it's so nice. Alright, so we're down now, and it was quite okay. The snow was a lot softer than when we went up, and we could even find some places the sun even had erased the tracks that we made this morning. So it's definitely spring, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tagging along. Take care. Till the next time.